So you just hit your take profit for the day. You're up pretty good and you want to keep going. But you also know that you could also give back everything that you just made trading for the day back to the market. How do you stop over trading? Well, the first thing that I like to do is game plan my trades. What I like to do is write down however many trades that I'm looking to trade for the day. Maybe it's a dollar amount. I have both the risk and also the reward set up on that game plan. So this way I know to follow that setup. Once I reach my target, I just simply exit out of my charting software, shut off my computer, and walk away. Now, that might be tough. So another thing you could do is, if you have reached your target, well, what you can do is go from live money to fake money. Inside of your trading platform, all you have to do is switch over from your live account to a simulation account. So this way you can still get your need out to place trades, but you're not doing it with real money. You're doing it with simulated money. Now, a third way you can do this is by going into your broker account and setting up a limit. So inside of NinjaTrader, it's pretty simple. You log into your account page. Once your account page is loaded, go to where it says user account profiles, which will be up here on the top right-hand side, and then go to settings. Once you go to the settings page, you want to look for this section right here that says risk settings. If you click risk settings and scroll down to these sliders, you can put on a daily profit trigger. So if I click this button here, I could put on, as soon as I make $100 trading for the day, I want to be done trading. If you select that, you can come down and click save. And now you'll have a daily limit where if you hit $100 in profit, you'll be done for the day trading with the live account. It caps off your winnings. Once again, having proper risk management is a big component to trading in the market.